Hi, and thank you for joining us for 22 News at 6. I'm Nick Oresco. The state's highest court has issued a ruling in a case of a deadly shooting inside the Holyoke Mall back in 2023. 22 News reporter Claire Overton joins us live in Holyoke this evening to break down the landmark ruling and what it means for future case law. Claire?
Nick, this is a very unique case. The SJC just ruled that the defendant can argue self-defense after he fired his own gun, killing a person. That person was an innocent bystander.
In that moment, he had a life or death decision to make. And what he did was pull out his own firearm and shot.
A new ruling from the state's highest court in a deadly shooting at the Holyoke Mall. Kenneth Santana-Rodriguez is charged with first-degree murder in the killing of Trung Tran back in January of 2023. Tran was an innocent bystander working at the Touch of Beauty salon at the mall. Santana-Rodriguez allegedly shot him during an altercation with another man, Irving Sanchez. One of the big questions in this case revolves around the term transfer intent.
Transferred intent works where if you go to shoot at one person intending to kill them and hit another person, your intent to kill the first person is transferred to the second person. And the question in this case was really, well, does your defense of self-defense also transfer?
With the latest ruling, Santana-Rodriguez is still charged with murder, but it allows his attorney to argue for self-defense. With
Massachusetts, if you shoot the wrong person, it's an acquittal if it was just an accident. If you are found by a jury to have been reckless or wanton in how you actually went about defending yourself, then that can be involuntary manslaughter. But it will not be murder. Murder is off the table.
Attorney Hagan said this ruling could have an effect on other open cases in the area.
The district attorney's office cited in their briefs that there's other cases even here in Hampden County which are implicated by this case, including the shooting of where the pregnant woman was shot on the bus in Holyoke and tragically her child was killed. This case may also implicate that. It may be something that the defendants in that case utilized.
Hagan said this is the first ruling of its kind in the Commonwealth. The case now heads back to the Superior Court for further proceedings. Working for you live in Holyoke, Claire Overton, 22 News.